everybody, welcome to Hands on Science, where if ever you need something to do, this is the place to be. This is Car.
And this is Mel.
Hey Car.
Hey Mel.
What's going on?
Alright, so, I think you can kind of guess.
Yeah.
But if you touch that water.
This one?
Yeah. Is it hot or is it cold?
Hot.
Okay, so I'm going to give you a paper towel.
Okay.
Dry out your finger.
Alright.
Okay. And if you touch this water, it's going to be.
Ooh, it's cold.
It's cold.
It's
Yeah,
cold.
it came out of the refrigerator.
Ooh,
okay.
alright, okay.
So what I'm gonna ask you to do.
Okay.
And you're probably gonna have to put more than one finger. You're probably gonna have to put just all your fingers.
Okay.
Put one hand in the cold water.
Okay.
And one hand in the hot water.
Okay, so at the same time.
Yeah. So you might have to reach a little bit.
Okay, so one here like this.
In fact, you know what? I'm gonna make that.
Oh, thank you.
Closer for you.
So this is the cold water.
That's the cold water. That's the hot water. And you're just gonna put your hands in there.
At the same time.
Yep. At the same time. And I'm gonna explain what we're gonna do next.
Wow.
It might feel a little weird because the temperature.
It's a little
difference.
weird.
Yeah. So we're gonna leave your fingers in there a little bit. Don't worry, we're not gonna be so long. You won't get frostbite or anything.
Thank you.
Okay.
It is cold.
And so this one here is not labeled.
Okay.
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 And so in another few seconds or so, I'm gonna have you take both your hands, and then not yet.
Not yet. Okay.
Not yet.
Okay.
And then you're gonna put both hands into this container of water, and then you're gonna tell me whether this water is hot or if it's cold.
Okay.
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 And so when you put your hands in there, I want you to pay attention to your right hand, and then pay attention to your left hand. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Very.
Go.
I do both, right?
Yep. Both at the same time.
Oh.
What do you? What's going on? You can't tell. Why can't you tell?
Because both feel the same.
They feel the same.
Well, I don't know.
They shouldn't feel the same.
No,
So-
actually, I don't know.
So
Feels
this is what typically happens.
weird.
Okay, and maybe we didn't leave your fingers in if you kind of can't discern what's going on, right? So this water, this is actually room temperature water. So this water that's labeled hot in relation to this water is cold.
Right.
So this water is going to be cold compared to what's hot. But the cold water, this water is going to feel warm compared to this water. And so because you've got one hand is already hot and one hand is already cold, it kind of confuses your brain a little bit when you put both hands into the room temperature water. So anyway, we'll definitely try it again. Maybe I'll get you a bigger bucket. You put your whole hand in there instead of just your fingertips. But this is one of those things where it's like, at first you kind of don't really understand what's going on, but I really like this activity because it kind of messes with my brain a little bit.
It does.
And if you guys like this concept and you want to try this at home, you can check out our book here, The Wizard's Book of Science Secrets. This activity is out of the Orange edition. If you go to hardwaresciencehawaii.com, you can pick up a copy for yourself. So if you liked this activity as much as I did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And as always, subscribe for more. We'll see you next time.
Bye.